in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn AirPods Pro 2 into hearing aids. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The AirPods Pro 2 have a hearing aid feature. This can be useful for people who have trouble hearing, so you can enable this feature freely. So all that you have to do is go over to the control center or access the settings of your AirPods Pro 2. I'm going to teach you how to do this on a standard iPhone and also how to do it on your Mac. So this is how it looks visually. So go over to the settings of either of these devices, and on your iPhone, if you swipe down or you scroll down from the top where you can see your AirPods Pro, you will be able to find hearing health. So you will find hearing protection, hearing assistance, where you can actually enable hearing aid. So you can see right here. So choose this option. And then of course you can take a hearing test at the bottom. AirPods Pro can help protect your hearing. You can also use them to take a hearing test and use the results to adjust sounds to match your unique ability to hear. You can find the exact same option if you do it on the Mac. So you head over to the settings, choose your AirPods Pro, and here it is. Once you have everything set up and you enable the option through hearing assistance, you will be good to go. If you look at the control center, you will be able to control the volume here. So you have this dedicated icon and you will be able to control the level. And if you tap on hearing assistance, you will also be able to individually balance it. So you have phone, media, transparency mode, amplification, balance, and so on. There is a lot to explore, and you will be able to cater to your specific needs. The feature will be available for the Pro models of AirPods as long as you go into the settings, and after you configure it and it is enabled, you will be able to find it available in the control center. So enable it from here, and it is going to tell you if hearing aid is on or off. You can change the setting at any point and configure it so you get the best experience possible. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn AirPods Pro 2 into hearing aids. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.